guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you 3 super simple after-school snack ideas that your kids will love, so stick around. First up is a trail mix that is perfect for on the go. I went through our pantry and found anything I thought my kiddos might like and just mixed it all together for this super easy snack. I ended up using graham crackers, marshmallows, peanuts, raisins, craisins, and 2 different kinds of chocolate chips, but the options for this snack are endless.
You are the solution. You are
fun banana bites. These are so quick to make, and the sprinkles turn a plain banana into a colorful treat. For this snack, you will need vanilla wafers, bananas, and your sprinkles of choice. Simply cut your bananas into slices, layer them between 2 vanilla wafers, and add the sprinkles. This one was a huge hit at my house, and my kids have already asked me to make them this again. Donuts. They came out so cute and the kids thought they were pretty neat. Here's how I made them. You will need a bit of room temperature cream cheese to act as the icing for the donuts. You could keep the cream cheese white if you prefer, but for extra fun, I added some neon food coloring to make this pretty blue color. After you cut your apple into slices and have removed the core, your apple should look like a donut. Simply add your cream cheese icing, top with sprinkles, and voila! You have these super fun apple donuts.
Funny how the story goes, little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring a sucker down, singing louder than the crowd. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Shine so bright. The sun is getting warmer. Oh, when we soar away among the clouds, the sky is just a border. Oh, when we're floating up like helium.
These snacks gave you some ideas, and if you have a fun snack idea, leave it in the comments below so we all can get more inspiration. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss any of the fun. Have a great weekend, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!
The siren will bite your tongue, no one is forever young. No.